Part 1, the common mistake. At first glance, this math problem looks incredibly simple. Many people look at it and immediately think the answer is 0. Let's look at how they arrive at that wrong answer. The most common mistake is working from left to right. People subtract 5 from 5 first, which gives you 0. The remaining things are as they are. Next, they subtract 5 from 5, leaving another 0. The remaining thing is as it is. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, right? Wrong. This entire method breaks the fundamental laws of math. Part 2, the right way using BODMAS. To solve this correctly, we must use the proper order of operations, BODMAS. Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In this expression there are no brackets, exponents, or division. So that, step 1, we must calculate first. Minus 5 times 5 gives us minus 25. The remaining things are as they are. Step 2, there is no addition, subtraction should be evaluated left to right. First 5 minus 25 results minus 20, remaining fig is as it is. Step 3, then minus 20 minus 5 results minus 25. The real, mathematically correct answer is minus 25. That's it, thank you.